Welcome to beautiful Greater Bass Lake in northern Wisconsin. I'm Mike Ryan, the CEO of RSP, your trusted custom contract manufacturer. When I say we partner with our clients, I mean it. We go beyond simply creating products. Our commitment extends to testing and experiencing the very products we help bring to life. Today, I'm trying out the Walking Mullet Fishing Lure from Sea Bass Lures, made by RSP. This lure is a masterpiece, tailored to great fishing with the perfect rattle and color to attract fish. This dedication to first-hand experience mirrors the collaborative approach we cultivate with our client partners, where their success becomes our shared triumph. At RSP Inc., we are more than just manufacturers. We are partners in innovation. Need a manufacturing partner? Contact us or visit our website today to learn more about our custom contract manufacturing services. Nothing on that cast. Better luck next time.